In a world driven by material pursuits, a few rise above, choosing a path of purpose, of service. Dr. Ravi Badavath, founder of Mission Walk Neuro Rehab, is one such visionary. A global neuro rehab educator, international SCI trainer, and a relentless force behind India's neuro rehabilitation revolution. When Dr. Ravi saw the reality, patients struggling without access, therapists without proper training, in 2016, he laid the foundation of Mission Walk in Hyderabad, not just as a clinic, but as a movement, a space where cutting-edge technology meets human compassion, where therapy isn't a service, it's a second chance at life. With his own hands, he treated 15+ patients a day, developed protocols, trained therapists, and built a dream that many thought impossible. Today, that dream stands tall. Mission Walk has evolved into India's largest and most trusted neuro rehab chain, with state-of-the-art centers in Hyderabad, Delhi NCR, Gurugram, Pune, Bangalore, and Jaipur. Patients with spinal cord injuries, strokes, brain injuries, cerebral palsy, Parkinson's, and rare neuro conditions now come from over 15 countries, because they trust the expertise, the care, and the results that only Mission Walk delivers. But Dr. Ravi's vision goes beyond treating patients. He believes in building an army of trained neurotherapists. That's why he launched the Train the Therapist clinical training program, an intensive hands-on certification workshop where hundreds of physiotherapists from all over India come to learn, evolve, and lead the future of neurological care. This is more than training. It's a movement to reshape India's neuro rehab landscape. From humble beginnings to a global center of excellence, Dr. Ravi Badavath and Mission Walk are changing the face of rehabilitation. Because at Mission Walk, the mission is simple: restore hope, rebuild movement, rekindle life. Mission Walk, empowering India to walk again.